is a joke. Look at this. Come here, look. Come in here, look. You ready? Look at this pork. Come on, let's have a little bit together. That's... I've got goosebumps. Look at this. Look at this.
Have you actually?
Oh my God. Hello everyone and welcome back to Food Review Club. We are cooking at home in the lockdown kitchen. It's probably going to be called that forever now, isn't it, Jess? We've got part 3 of our incredible meat series with JD Meats, one of our meat sponsors for the page. Now, if you don't know about JD Meats, I'll put a link in the comments below. Jess, should we do that? When we did a full meat reveal. Following on, this is a bit of a background story. Following on from that review, we've decided to link up with them and do some more stuff because they stock some bonkers meats at wholesale prices that you wouldn't necessarily know about. Your salt beefs and pastramis, for example. Forgetting the ribs and the steaks. They are legit. Now, the amazing Justin has sent us a couple of new products that I think you guys may very well like, and we're going to try them on camera. I'm super excited because I've never had them before. Have you had them before, Jess?
No.
No. And we've even attempted to make our own sauce, but we'll come on to that afterwards. Now, this is how the meat comes. Vac packed, in a bag, pre-cooked, and you boil it for, this was boiled for 45 minutes?
40 minutes.
40 minutes. Easy as that. Cooked to perfection. Just whack them out on the board. So I've got here, can't see the label. Here, a good start there. Whee!
That's the turkey.
That's the turkey, and this is the pork.
Pork belly.
Pork pastrami. Turkey pastrami. I think we've all tried beef pastrami. Your regular pastrami as you and I know it. I am so excited about this. So we do one first?
Yeah.
Right. Oh my God, look at this. So, let me cut the bag open. This is like literally cooking for dummies. Now, I would normally be dishing out a discount code for you now. Not this time, because not with any time, in fact, with our JD Meats stuff, because it's already at wholesale prices. If you don't believe me, go and click the link and check them out yourself. Salt beef, your pastrami, nuts. Like, they literally supplied all the big boys in the game. And now they're branching out into this sort of stuff. I'm like, okay, so this is my pork. Oh my good God. Wow, wow. My mouth is actually salivating. It really is.
It smells good.
Okay, cool. So then we've got the turkey. Let's whip the turkey out as well. So we're going to have both pieces of meat. What I'm going to do is eat it, make a couple of sandwiches, and see how we get on. And try and review / talk you through the tastes to regular pastrami. Oh my God, look at this turkey pastrami. How would it, oh my God, see that just nearly fall off my hand? Oh my God. Guys, cooking meat at home doesn't have to be always about what you can get at the butcher's. No, it's great to support your local butcher and stuff, but if you want to try something different every now and again, this really is worth looking at. Oh my God. I think we should try the pork first. That pork was like nuts.
Okay.
So I'm going to do a mustard and pickle sandwich with both. And then I'm going to do a take on a Reuben's. We haven't got any sauerkraut, but we've made our own sauce. Thousand Island sauce. Russian dressing, sorry. That's right, isn't it?
Russian sauce.
Russian sauce. Bit of Worcestershire sauce, a couple of other sauces in there, some salt.
Yeah, paprika.
Paprika.
Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce. And there it is. Rich, delicious, yummy, flavoursome. We're going to put some Swiss cheese on it and have it with some meat. So first things first, I'd like to cut up some of this meat on camera so we can just literally ogle at the, watch out for the shadow, Watch out for this. Come to the side a little bit, Jess. Come to the side a little bit. There we go. Get the light on there, look. Okay. So this is turkey pastrami. Oh my goodness. So, food reviewer in me wants to describe the smells that I've got in front of me. I've got that strong pepper pastrami vibe coming out of it now. It's coming into my nostrils. Can you smell that, Jess, as well?
Yeah.
Let's not eat. Oh my God, just look at it. Look. Slabs of meat. Now, the other thing from the initial video of JD Meats is that there was an order, because it's wholesaler, there was an order cap. I think it was like 30 quid to make it worth their while even sending the food out because it's that good a price. Now, knocked it on the head. You guys can literally order yourself a piece of salted beef, piece of pastrami, piece of turkey pastrami, piece of pork pastrami. Go and have a look at their chuffing website. It is nuts. Right, let's make...
Are you going to cut the pork as well?
I'm going to cut the pork as well, and I'm going to make a sandwich of each.
Okay.
So I could do the pork. Let's do the pork this way. Look at this on top. Oi! Oh my God, it's just mental. It's falling apart. Look, it's just absolutely. It's like butter. That is just. Pork is such a wonderful meat. Okay. I am like salivating here. Right, let's do one of each. Let me cut some bread. Some of this bread. You ready?
Ooh.
Nice.
Ooh, how thick are you going to go?
I was going to do like a little 3/4 of an inch. Is that right? Look, guys.
You need 4 slices.
I'm going to do one of each. All right. I'll just do one. I'm going to cut it in half.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. Look. Cool. So what we're going to do first, pickle and mustard.
Yeah.
Guys, you might be sitting at home laughing at my knife skills. I'm not a chef. I just love food and love cooking at home, especially with new products like this. I've never seen pork pastrami before. Certainly never seen turkey pastrami. And I'm so glad to be doing the video now, kind of introducing this to the market, especially for JD Meats. It's a real honour. So, mustard. Coleman's English mustard. Normally we've gone for some like American mustard. I know this is pretty strong, but I'm going to do like a light dashing of it. Not too much. I really want to get the flavour of the meat. Pickle on the other side for some sweetness. Some acidic sweetness, Jess. Yeah? Pickle and mustard. This is literally going to be... Now, guys, do you brush your sauce to the edge? I'm assuming that people...
You're a digger.
Am I a digger?
Yeah, I don't like
What does that mean?
You like dig it into the bread.
Okay, what should I do? More of a...
Yeah, you need to keep
More of a
it
spread.
level.
All right, cool. So this is like a mustard and pickle variant on that. Let me just get some... That'll do. Right, gonna put turkey pastrami in one. Oh my God, just look at this. Unbelievable. Wow. Now, like all good sandwiches, especially with pastrami, you when you think you've got enough meat in there, that's when you add more. All right, here's my turkey.
I feel like you can get more in there.
Do you think I should get more in there? Guys, get in the comments. Do you think I should add more? Not that I'll see it. I'm just going to add more anyway. Okay. That is turkey pastrami. Also, it's no secret that I'm off. I'm not back drinking again. It sounds like I'm a recovering addict. I did 65 days off the booze. Jess said, you cannot have this as your drink watch. I've got a single can in the fridge. Here we go. I'm going to, should we tag them in as well? Ready? Stella. A cold can of Do As You're Told. Anyone says anything different, they get to see what the back of your hand looks like. Cheers, everyone. Cheers. Sorry, Jess.
Not to be joked at.
Domestic violence is no joke. I just wanted to wet my whistle before tucking into this. You've got pickle, mustard, turkey, pastrami. Here we go. Okay. my God. That is unbelievable. The mustard and the pickle gives a great sweet undertone. And it allows, with great bread by the way, Jess, well done.
Thank you.
It allows the meat to do its thing. Absolutely breathtaking. Wow. Now, this pork is a joke. Look at this. Come here, look. Come in here, look. You ready? Look at this pork. Come on, let's have a little bit together. That's... I've got goosebumps. Look at this. Look at this.
Have you actually?
Oh my God. Pork pastrami. Look at that, look.
So is pork pastrami not like a thing? Is it always beef?
I don't know, Jess. Beef pastrami is the common pastrami that you'd just... Stop the press. Oh my God. Look at that. Again, pickle, mustard. Kind of getting a vibe for this right now, you know. Jesus Christ. The flavour. Not only is the flavour there, that rich pastrami pepper, that's also got a really juicy, tender texture to it. My mind is going mental right now. Oh my God. Move that to one side as well. Jess, this is really quite special. So now we're going to move on to the next sandwich. We've got whole grain rye. Rye, oh rye, did we get this? Typically for a Reuben's. However, we don't have the sauerkraut. Disclaimer.
Waitrose are out.
Waitrose. Come on, bruv. But that's not a problem, Jess. Because we've got our homemade Thousand Island.
It's not Thousand Island.
Russian. Why do I keep saying that? It looks like it, yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think of my spreading technique, guys? Nice big dollop on there. Yeah? It's going to go everywhere, innit? There we go. That side done. I've got some Swiss cheese here, which probably could have been melted, but Swiss cheese. Jesus Christ, this is going to be good. Let me cut a nice juicy piece of this turkey. Oh my God, look at that. Nice thick piece, there we go. Look, like, turkey's so often dry. Come and have a look at that. Shut out the light, my love. There you go. Look at that. Can you see the glistening moisture? But then look how easy it'll break. Let's just... Let's do one half of this. Okay. Oh, I should have cut them, shouldn't I? Okay. Put some cheese. Hold the cheese in half. Not your typical Reuben's, but look at that. Are you ready?
Hold it up for a thumbnail.
You ready?
Yeah. On your apron, on your apron.
It's tea towel.
On your lady's apron.
That is breathtaking. I'm gobsmacked. Boil in the bag too. It's already cooking. Cooking's already done. Right. I think this is what the people really wanted to see. Yeah. Loads of Russian dressing. Get that flavour. That flavour train. Come to town. If you feel yourself getting dried out at any moment, get the can of do as you're told on the go. And let's get some more of this pastrami pork pastrami. Jesus. Oh my God. Look at this. You just had some, Jess, yeah? How would it taste? Look at this, look.
The turkey one doesn't really taste like turkey, does it?
No, it's beautiful.
Usually it's really dry and...
Yep. Bit of cheese. Fold him over, he's got a double layer of cheese. And there we have kind of a mini DIY at home, super special sandwich on steroids. Here we go. That pork pastrami is up there with some of the best meat I've ever had. It is breathtaking. What do you think, Jess?
I haven't had any, actually.
Look at it, look. Look at this. Slow cooked. Then you've still got that char, that caramelisation. That pastrami flavour. Wow. Look, I've made you a couple of different sandwich variants there with two brand new, unbelievable products. Why are we doing films like this? We review all types of fast food and takeaways. Sandwiches, meat at home typically is very boring. When we had the opportunity to work with JD Meats, it's a no-brainer to bring you guys content like this with meat like this. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, if you want to get yourself some, go to the link in the comments, give JD Meats a follow online. We're the biggest wholesalers of beautiful meats like this in the country. Lockdown changed the game for them. Thanks for watching. I'm now going to dismantle this entire block with my lovely wife. Thank you for watching, everyone. Remember, get in the comments and let me know what you thought of today's video. If you're watching on YouTube as well, please give us a subscribe and a thumbs up. I'm your host, Matt, and that was another home review.